Think you can't get a great car under $10,000 in 2025? Thinking face, think again. Today, we're counting down 5 used cars that prove you don't need a big wallet to drive something dependable, comfortable, and fun. Whether you're a student, a daily commuter, or just want a second family car, this list has something for you. We've checked reliability ratings, parts availability, and real-world resale data, so you can buy smart, not just cheap. Let's dive right in automobile dashing away. Number 5, Ford Fusion. The Ford Fusion takes our number 5 spot. It's a mid-size sedan that delivers excellent ride comfort, strong safety scores, and a surprisingly upscale feel for its price. For under $10,000, you can easily find 2016 to 2018 models with under 100,000 miles. The Fusion's cabin is roomy, the trunk is massive, and it handles long drives like a champ. Common engines include the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 1.5-liter EcoBoost, both offering good balance of power and fuel economy. Maintenance costs are moderate, and parts are easy to find in the US. If you want a professional-looking car that's affordable and reliable, the Fusion is still a solid pick. Number 4, Hyundai Elantra. At number 4, the Hyundai Elantra. Over the years, Hyundai has built a reputation for offering tons of value for less money, and the Elantra is proof. For under $10,000, you'll often find 2017 or 2018 models with good features like Bluetooth, backup cameras, and great fuel economy, up to 35 miles per gallon. The Elantra's design still looks sharp, and its interior materials punch above its price. Plus, Hyundai's 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, if still valid, is a huge bonus. Owners love it for daily commutes and city driving, comfortable seats, low running costs, and impressive reliability. Number 3, Mazda 3. Next up, number 3, the Mazda 3. If you want a car that's fun to drive, this one's hard to beat. Mazda's steering and suspension make it feel sporty, yet still efficient. You can find 2015 to 2017 models below $10,000, with great interiors that feel more premium than rivals. The 2.0-liter Skyactiv engine gives excellent mileage, around 30 to 35 mpg, and low emissions. Plus, Mazdas have fewer electronic issues than many competitors. Whether it's a hatchback or sedan, the Mazda 3 combines performance, comfort, and style in one budget-friendly package. Number 2, Honda Civic. Our runner-up is the legendary Honda Civic, one of America's most loved cars. Why? Because it just works. Civics are reliable, fuel-efficient, and surprisingly fun to drive. You'll find 2015 to 2017 Civics around the $9,000 to $10,000 mark, often with fewer than 120,000 miles. The 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter engines are built to last easily over 250,000 miles with proper care. Maintenance is cheap, and every mechanic in the US knows how to service a Civic. Inside, you get decent tech, touchscreen, Bluetooth, and great seating comfort. If you want something you can buy, drive, and forget about major repairs, the Civic is your go-to. Number 1, Toyota Corolla. And finally, the Toyota Corolla, the king of reliability. It's not flashy, but it delivers exactly what buyers want: low cost of ownership, fantastic reliability, and strong resale value. For under $10,000, you can find 2014 to 2017 models in excellent shape. The 1.8-liter engine sips fuel, giving 30 to 38 miles per gallon, and Toyotas are famous for running well past 300,000 miles. The interior is simple but durable, and everything just works, even after years of use. If you want peace of mind, minimal maintenance, and a car that holds its value, the Corolla is your number 1 pick. So there you have it, 5 amazing used cars under $10,000 in 2025 that still deliver comfort, reliability, and real value. Before buying, always check vehicle history reports, look for regular service records, and take a trusted mechanic for inspection. A little caution goes a long way. Which car would you choose? Backhand index pointing down comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly car reviews, buying guides, and ownership tips. Drive smart, save money, and see you in the next video.